Deaths has increased in the United States of America. 200 people have gone missing in our city, and even more in the country itself. The police are still looking for these people, but so far there is no news. But we recently learned that some people near the abandoned building heard people screaming. The strange thing is that there were no people there, or any remains or blood. We are now looking into this. We recommend you to stay at home, and not go outside at this time. May God protect us.